What is light year? Maybe you have read this in your physics class. Maybe you have heard this somewhere else. Do you know about this? What is light year actually? Well, light year is the unit of distance, not the unit of time. Most people think that light year is a unit of time because they heard about it, but actually it's not like that. So I wanna say you something. There is our sun gives us light. When it starts from sun, when it's coming through the space, it reaches Earth approximately 8 minutes. So when scientists measure the light beam, they measure how much space covers from sun to Earth. I wanna repeat it. They measure that how much space light covers from sun to Earth. That's why the light year is the unit of distance, not the unit of time. So you can think about that. Who uses this? Because you have heard about kilogram, you have heard about gram, milligram, liter. But this unit, maybe you have the maybe you can think about who uses this because that's very big. Light speed is 3 lakh kilometer in 1 second. So who uses this unit? Well, mostly astronomers use this unit because they have to calculate distant objects because they are very far from us. So most of time astronomers use this unit. So you know now that light year is the unit of distance, not the unit of time. Well, I want to tell you something. I want to say that you have to think of it. The thing is, I want to say to you right now, I wish that you just cover your eyes and listen it carefully. Our nearest star, our neighborhood, is about 4.37 light year from the Earth. It means light has to travel that much distance to reach that star, and this star is our nearest. This is our neighborhood. So you can think how big this universe is. Thanks for watching.